In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track and organize study notes in Airtable. We'll start by getting into Airtable on a desktop browser. Once you're signed in, create a new base by clicking Add a base and choosing Start from Scratch, or open a base you already use for school if you prefer to build within something familiar. Either way works. The goal is to have a dedicated spot for your notes. Inside the base, rename the first table to Study Notes. This will be your main note library. Now set up the fields that make the system useful and searchable. Add a subject field as a single select so every note uses the same subject labels. Add topic as a single line text for quick titles. Then note summary as a long text field so you have room for detailed takeaways. Add date studied as a date field to track when you reviewed the material. Create importance level as a single select with low, medium and high. Finally, add review status as a single select with to review and reviewed. With this structure, every note captures what it's about, when you studied it, how important it is, and whether it still needs attention. Keeping subject as a single select is key. It prevents typos and keeps your list consistent, which makes filtering and reviewing simple later. You'll thank yourself during exam weeks when everything lines up neatly. Next, create focused views so you can switch into study mode fast. Set up a to-review view that shows notes needing attention. Make a high importance view to surface the critical items. Add a by subject view, grouped or filtered by subject, and a recently added view so you can quickly check your newest entries. Views save you from endless scrolling and help you focus. When you're ready to study, sort your notes by importance level or date studied, and filter to show only the subject you're working on. Quick reminder, because this is a website, I've placed the Airtable link at the top of the description so you can follow along and build your base as we go. To keep things active, add simple automations. Set one to mark notes as reviewed after a set date, so older items move along automatically. Create another to notify you when notes haven't been reviewed in a while, keeping dormant topics from slipping through the cracks. Finally, maintain your system. Update the notes summary after each study session with what you learned or what still confuses you, and archive outdated notes so your base stays clean and relevant. That's how you can track and organize your study notes in Airtable for better focus and retention. Thanks for watching.